In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your permanently deleted Facebook account. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have deleted your Facebook account and 30 days have passed, then it means that Facebook account is now permanently deleted. So in order to recover such deleted account, what you need to do is to open your internet browser and in the search bar type facebook.com/support. Click on this back icon, go to account settings, scroll down, and below this was this helpful tab, select no, then click on other. Now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to provide all the details why you deleted your Facebook account and why do you want to recover it now. And once you have provided the details, click on the submit option. And after that, within the next 24 hours, you'll receive a response from Team Facebook and your deleted Facebook account will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.